Hey guys!
Hey everybody!
We are here to update you this week.
That's right.
They're doing some construction work, I guess, in the background. We are here in the makeup room.
That's right. Look at
That
all
studio classroom. Look at all that makeup. We are getting ready for what right now, David Morton?
We are getting ready to film another exciting episode of Insights.
That's right. And actually, we are bringing an end to our Insights segment. At the end of this year, you will see the very last Insights segment. Oh, we're gonna cry. But that's okay because we are getting excited about some new things that are coming up in the future.
That's right.
So stay tuned for that. It's in the works.
It's going to be great. I'm really excited to see what kinds of new directions that Advanced can go in with some of our video features. But to that point, we also want to ask you guys, as we're planning for the future and the future of Advanced features, what are some things that you would like to see? What are some things that you would like to see as video extras with Advanced Magazine? Let us know in the comments below and we'll take it into consideration as we brainstorm.
Absolutely, so let us know your thoughts below and stay tuned for what's next. And thank you for joining us for this Advanced Weekly Update.
See you guys later.